Hello, I'm Joe. I'm a product manager here at DisplayNote, and in this video I'd like to talk to you about meeting room console support. Launcher is designed to remove friction and simplify your interaction in meeting spaces, and we know that consoles are an integral part of that ecosystem. I'm here in our meeting room, and you can see behind me I have our display and also a console on the table in front of me. The launcher interface appears on the meeting room console, offering you a one-tap call launching experience for your meetings. You can also mute or unmute your microphone, control the system volume, or turn your camera on or off. When you're done with your meeting, simply end the call with one tap. And you can do all of this without leaving the comfort of your seat. Launcher also allows you to customize and design your own interface on this console, adding the flexibility to have your meeting room feel like it's built for you and your needs, creating an experience that avoids confusion and keeps the conversation flowing.